Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata descriptors or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled datasets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories, such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamlined annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality label datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, you can earn money on Fiverr through data annotation. Involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple. Create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see here, we have a small number of offers comparing with other services. Let's see what we got here. For example, logo design, as we can see, here we have over 240,000 results. That means over 240,000 offers. Let's see another one. So let's see, for example, video editing. As you can see, here we have over 69,000 results. That means over 69,000 offers. Let's see, for example, another one, articles and blog posts. So for these services, they are over 51,000 results. That means 51,000 offers. So it's really a number, it's competitive number, so it's the competition here is very strong comparing with data annotation. So the question is how we can get to this data annotation. So all you have to do is open your web browser, fiverr.com, and type in fiverr.com. Then you will or it will lead you to this home page. There is two ways to dive to data annotation. The first way is click here. The second is scroll down, and as you can see, many services will appear. So you can go to this one, data, and go to data annotation. As we can see, many offers appear. So you can or you don't have to need any advanced coding skills. If we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services, and the minimum amount is $5. You can find also $10, $35, or $15, and why not, you can find $100 too. So it's depend on how much services you offer and how much time you need to get this job or to finish it. So to more understand, let's select an example. For example, that one. As you can see, this is the title. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. And as a data annotator, it will be your task is labeling items, images, as example, videos by marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them. For charge, here we have for the first one, the basic one, $5 for 400 bounding boxes in one day, and for this one, $40 in um, in 2 days for 3,600 bounding boxes, and the most expensive one is $125 for 10,000 bounding boxes in 6 days. So You can find the same offer, but you cannot find the same details as we have here. So it's depend, as I said, on how much you need and how much bounding boxes you can get. So to more understand, let's see another example. For example, that one, as you can see, there is the title. Here we have this offer, and the basic one, $5, 400 bonding boxes in 1 day. The standard one is $80 for 4,000 bonding boxes in 2 days. But the premium one, the most expensive one, is $200 instead 125. So as I said, it depends on the one who makes offer. So here we have 5 days delivery and 10,000 bonding boxes. So if we see another example, here we have that one. As you can see, $5 for just 600 bonding boxes and delivery in 1 day. And here we have $35, sorry, or for 1,200 bonding boxes delivery in 3 days. And for the most expensive one is $100 for 12,000 bonding boxes in 6 days. So really, it depends on how much time you need to finish the job and how much bounding boxes. As you can see here, we have 12,000 bounding boxes instead 10,000 bounding boxes. So what are you waiting for? You can be, or you can become a data annotator just by learning the basic thing and get more information about this service, and you will start, because it's not depend on how much skills you have. It's really simple and easy. So here we have Fiverr platform. There's other platform like AudioB. AudioB is an audio data. So here we have became a freelancer. You can just click over here and you can start as a freelancer here as a data annotator. And there is another one platform. Here we have Toluca, so you can just click over here. um, can click over here, choose earn money, login, and then you will start as a freelancer by signing with Google or signing with Facebook. So you can start as a freelancer with these three platforms. It's just an example to show you that it's easy to become a data annotator. And there's other platform you can sign in up there and get money and start as a freelancer like this platform. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.